These apple fritters are a quick and easy dessert to fry up for the kids. Learn how to make it with the help of this video, brought to you by recipes.net. In a sieve on top of a mixing bowl, add the baking powder, salt, granulated sugar, and all-purpose flour. Sift them together before adding in the milk, eggs, and unsalted butter. Whisk to combine. Then, put the peeled, cored, and sliced apples in a bowl with lemon juice so they do not brown. Pat with a paper towel to dry, then dip them in the batter, making sure that the batter is stiff enough. With the canola oil in a pan, fry in the apple rings at least a half-inch deep. Turn the apples occasionally and cook until golden brown. Drain on the paper towel, then garnish with powdered sugar before serving. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell to catch more easy and tasty dishes to try at home.